everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are in Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be doing a truck tour. If you guys didn't know, I started working for a country radio station for the whole summer and they gave me a whole ass new truck from Mayfield Toyota. So that's really freaking cool, and I thought you guys could just, you know, take a look inside my truck and then we could drive it around a little bit. Haley's recording me right now, so Haley, thank you so much for recording me. I love you the most. Anyways, so Country Boys Unite. Howdy. Oh, also I know I don't look like the person who drives a truck, but like you know, I drive a truck, so for the summer. Anyways, okay, let's get this tour started. Okay, so this is the front, and as you guys can see, I travel a lot, so it is like a freaking massacre of bugs in here. There's bees, there's beetles, there's I don't even know, but I travel around a lot. So most of the places that they send me to, because we're having a contest right now, so most of the places they send me to, I usually take, oh my god, this wind, I usually take around minimum of 1 to 2 hours traveling time, but it's paid. So if you guys don't know what, oh my god. So if you guys don't know what station I am working for, I am working for the 840 CFCW. But yeah, so this is the truck. It's pretty big. And the back right now, it's kind of messy, but like,
baby, lock them doors and turn the lights down low. Now turn them back on, girl, don't be a hoe.
But yeah, so that is my truck. Now I am gonna now show you guys what is on the inside because this wind is killing me. Okay, so let's go inside here. Alright, so we are finally on the inside. The wind has stopped. That has messed up my hair in 10,000 different ways. We don't talk about that. Anyways, so these are the keys, and it has the lock, unlock, and the panic mode, which one time I pressed and it was like 11 at night, so please, we're cold. Anyways, so, you know, you insert it, and then woohoo! Oh my god, that's so cool! Okay, so it has a radio. So this is the station, you guys.
Ambrosia, Svenigbergo.
I forgot. Okay, so our station, it plays country like 24/7, but on Sundays nights, if you are Ukrainian or if you're a fan of Ukrainian music, we play Ukrainian music. I don't understand that, but it's really cool. It is really cool. And it has the volume button on the steering wheel. It's so loud. It's so loud. Oh my god, it's so loud! Anyways, the seats move, so it goes front like this. As you, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's moving. It goes back.
it goes in and out.
Oh my god. Guys, you guys are not gonna. It goes down and up and down again.
Jory!
And up. Okay, so another feature that my car has that your car probably also, you know, has, it has a freaking air conditioner. So if you're hot, you know, like, freshen up. It's summer 2019, you know, turn that AC on, sister. Turn your AC on. Anyways, also, I live in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and it can literally go from summer to winter in 2 seconds. So if you just look at this. You just it's so hot.
Someone's having an.
And then it's so cold now. It's, you know, if you're doing things in the car that you should not be doing, just cool it a little bit, you know, calm down, you know. If you're not doing anything in the car and you're not getting, you know, just turn it back on heat, you know, feel some action, turn some heat on, you know what I mean? But yeah, so it has a radio and it has the, so yeah, that is my truck tour for today, you guys. So now why don't we freaking drive around? I'm excited to drive around with you guys. The first time I drive this, I literally almost cried and crashed at the same time. So it's been better. I have been getting a lot of practice. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Let's go drive around now. Haley, where do you want to go?
Let's go to Starbucks.
Let's go to Starbucks. So let's see. Oh my god, I have to show you guys. Oh, wait, hold on. I have to show you guys this. Okay, so when I'm backing up, it has a little camera. So that's pretty cool.
You're acting as if this is new shit.
You know what, Haley? Haley's being a negative Nancy over here, telling me it's just kidding. Okay, here we go.
Country fighting hip hop hip. Put your heart in the sky, no side to side. Jump to the left, stick and glide. Zigzag, cross the floor, shuffle in diagonal. When the drum hits, hands on your hips. 1 foot in 180 twist, and then a zigzag, step slide. Lean in that clap 3 times. Shake it out, head to toe. Throw it all together, that's how we roll. Do the hold down. Do the hold down.
So we are at Starbucks now. I hope you guys enjoyed the truck tour, but yeah, we're just grabbing some drinks now. Haley, what did you get?
I got a strawberry acai, and we're taking pictures.
Yeah, strawberry acai, and then I got a cold brew something, like my barista said. I don't know, but look how cute these cups are. They're straw free, so save the turtles, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you, Haley, for filming.
You're welcome. Always here, you know.
But yeah, so I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.